No. It's not.
Good morning, everyone. I am from British English Institute, and today I am the anchor for the day. Today we will ask the local public some questions about air pollution and their aspects about air pollution. What's the causes in what's the cause of air pollution in the Delhi? So yeah, let's talk to some peoples. Hello, my name is Prashant. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Manoj Kumar.
So Manoj,
Hi.
can you please tell me what do you think? What actually air pollution is?
Actually, there is too much dust and crowd, maybe. So that can be main reason. And sometimes government is involving in this because they are not controlling. Actually,
So basically, you believe that the government is responsible for air pollution in Delhi.
some in some cases, but most of I realize that population is the main factor because the crowd is everywhere, and due to population, we have to use car and any assets.
Yes.
If they are using a bike car, so uh, through the bike and car, they are polluted.
Thank you for your input. We'll come back to you later.
Yes.
So, what's your name?
My name is Prince.
So, Prince, may I know what's your input about air pollution in Delhi?
Uh, I think I put on garbage in. Do not put on garbage anywhere, and I सलाह को क्या बोलते हैं?
No worries, no worries. We'll come back to you later. We'll ask again. So, may I know your name?
I am Vansh.
So, Mr. Vansh, what do you think is the real reason behind the pollution of Delhi, pollution of air in Delhi?
I think the real reason behind pollution is the vehicle congestion that we are facing. If we travel in a road, we see around that 100 of cars in a single flyover, 100 of cars in a single road. I think we should use that OD formula that put on by Arvind Kejriwal. That will work.
So, basically, your input is that we should follow odd even formula, and the public is to blame, not the government.
I am blaming the government and public both.
Okay,
We
thank
all
you for
should
your
stand
input.
for
Thank you for your input. So, may I know your name?
My name is Priya.
So, Priya, I would like to know what's your thought about the air pollution in Delhi and who is to blame?
It's not, जैसे कि you know very well, it's a very critical situation nowadays. But the pollution level is a high increase by people. Like it's very dangerous for every old people, old generation people, and it's very harmful for children. And it's not a judgment of politics. It's our mistake also because vehicle in more are than vehicles in a road. So this is not only for politics because people nowadays are very selfish. So this is my point.
Thank you for your input. So, may I know your name?
My name is Hariom Jha.
So, Hariom Jha, where do you live?
I live in GTV Niklev Janta flat.
Okay, so what are your thoughts about air pollution? You having trouble breathing?
No, I think pollution is very dangerous nowadays. Government has control our pollution because nowadays old people are dying by asthma, and so you know there are many types of pollution like air pollution and water pollution and noise pollution and soil pollution. So I think pollution are very dangerous.
Who do you think is to blame for the air pollution in Delhi? Who do you think is to blame?
I think pollution is government is blame because government not also taken decision for body one formula. So
Okay, thank you for your input.
Sir, yesterday news I got from that the Lallan top, 73 lakh people have been died due to pollution. So I think this is a good time to take the serious take this decision because we are was on the death. So that's why I thought government should take a hard decision because 73 lakhs person have been died in a one day in a one day due to pollution. So this is a serious matter. So you can ask them.
Thank you for your input. So, Mr. Frink,
Yes.
what's your input about air pollution in Delhi?
In Delhi, air pollution level is very high, and we all know when all people's all people's ride on vehicles, and many vehicles are pollute in air, and we all know pollution is very high. That's why people can't wait.
People can't breathe, and the pollution level is very high. That's why people never outside for any like visited any places because of crowd, noise pollution, and say because people save ourselves because health is most important for people in our generation because people are selfish and nobody can protect for anywhere, protect for ourselves. So it is our duty, our responsibility for is this pollution and garbage on the rivers and throw the anywhere outside here there and so this.
Very nice input, thank you. So, what were you saying?
I am saying it's not a government judgment because people not about pollution. People don't know about pollution in Delhi because of our benefit. They use vehicle for some distance, and all peoples use vehicles for just enjoyment, and for enjoyment Delhi is very polluted.
Thank you. So, may I know your name?
My name is Akshay Sujit Best.
So, can you tell me some steps that we citizens of Delhi can take to reduce pollution?
Yeah, we can take. Yeah, like
Tell me some steps.
yeah. First of all, we have to take steps. Like not really. I'm talking about steps like you go to
So
walk.
basically, you're basically saying we have to do more cardio work.
Yeah, you have to do more cardio work or you will become fat. Okay. And so the second step is like you all have a car, means in every home, means not in every home but
Yeah.
in some homes like everyone have cars nowadays. So like it's like the government has to stop means allowing car to be buying more in the city. So
So you're
that
basically saying that people should buy cars according to their need.
yeah.
If they have a need, if they have a dire need, they should buy. Otherwise, don't.
No, I mean like you for sometimes you have to stop like buying the cars for sometimes because in 1 month in Delhi there are 40 lakh cars are being purchased. So
Yeah.
that's why I'm saying like you should have to stop the allowing people to buy car more.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Basically saying that government should implement some policies that only limited people should be able to buy cars.
No, not limited people, means all of them, means you have to give equality, or some people will raise some issues like you are allowing them. Like we don't have anybody don't wants a car. Like we can go with the bus. We have provided many bus and metros, like, and we can take rickshaws also for your office. But but everybody wants to show off like we have car and we'll go in the car like that. So that's why I'm saying.
Thank you for your opinion. So, ma'am, may I know your name?
My name is Bubbly.
So, Bubbly, can you tell me what do you think about the condition of air in Delhi?
Very bad right now because of if people think you go everywhere, so you take transport, no use of your car, your bike. If you are going anywhere, so you use transport. If one person going, so no use to car. or I think in Delhi, or even will we start? No, that's if or even start so few in, few increase few little bit sorry
The quality of the air will be improved if the odd even is implemented. here.
improve. Yes.
Thank you for your input. So, your name was Prince.
Yes, sir.
So may I know some measures that we ourselves we can take to reduce the pollution of the air in Delhi?
I think government take many decisions. Waste garbage don't anywhere burn, any burning stop are stopped, and people can throw anywhere garbage. So I think government take a decision. Fine. Government many places are already take this decision, like metros don't split anywhere, don't throw anywhere. But I think area wise government take a decision. So many contribute, stop garbage and air pollution, and Delhi we are safe.
Okay. Nice input. Thank you very much. So, Mr. Hariom, I'll come back to you. I'll ask Mr. Hariom. So, Hariom, tell me some measures that we can take as public to reduce air pollution in Delhi.
I think people should plant it more and more, so we can control our pollution. So also government has taken or even formula, and so we can use if we use electricity bike and four-wheeler. So there are some pollution by electrical bike and four-wheeler.
Okay. Thank you very much. So, I would like to ask Mr. Fring,
Yes.
will purchasing an electric bike help in reducing the pollution of the Delhi?
Yeah, it's beneficial for Delhi pollution, because of then pollution be controlled, and we all are use electric vehicles, and but is one
Okay, no issues. We'll come back to you later. No issues.
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Manoj,
Sir,
you would like to say something?
first of all, I requested to you, please, my voice reach out to government.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Because-
I'll make sure of that. I'll make sure of that.
Yeah, before the India China Beijing, which is the district of I think China. That what time in the first due to pollution
Yes.
was before India, but right now India and Delhi city is number one.
Yes.
So please reach out my voice to government,
Sure. I'll do that.
because the it was happened and reduce the pollution due to the government of the China. So there can be applied in India also. So please reach out my voice.
Sure. I'll do that. So, Mr. Vansh, I would like to ask you: is burning crackers during Diwali the real reason behind Delhi's air pollution?
No, I'm kind of a reason.
Okay.
I will also agree that burning cracker cause a lot of pollution, but no, it's not the real reason. There are so many reasons, like we are cutting trees, like deforestation is one of the reason.
Okay.
Burning crackers is one of the reason, not the main reason. And the congestion of vehicles around us is a big reason. And
Diwali.
mining, like was is saying, is also a reason. And the construction, the industries, that's also cause a lot of pollution. So these all are the combined reason of the pollution.
Thank you for your input. Great input. So, ma'am, I would like to ask you: is burning parali one of the major reasons behind the pollution of Delhi, air pollution of Delhi?
Yeah, of course. That's why government should be take a strict action about this. because not only Parali, many cases are there like garbage and burn woods and cutting on the lots of plantains and government saying like reduce, reuse, recycle method uses of people and like etc like do planting because plant is a very most part of a environment to reduce in carbon dioxide also and oxygen because they are main reason about the give us oxygen. So this is all.
Thank you. Nice input. So you would like to say something?
Yes, of course. In Delhi, no space. Little if we are going anywhere, no space.
It's very congested in Delhi.
Yes, very congested. That's why pollution. In many people's for the village in Delhi for making amount. That's why I feel anywhere I am going, if I am going there, so no place, no space, my car where place because I am not going one person, I am going 4 or 5 person in one car. That's why I feel if anyone go, so don't use one person car, one person bike. Okay, this is my point of view.
Okay, thank you. So Mr. Hariom, I would like to ask you, you know anything about carpooling?
Carpooling. I think carpooling is a big.
I'll come back to you later. I'll ask someone else. You know anything about carpooling?
No, bro, I don't have idea.
So basically, carpooling is when 2 or 3 people travel by using a same vehicle to a office or maybe to a same place. So we'll ask something else to our audience. So you want to give any more input about Delhi's air pollution?
Oh yeah, I think fire burning, industry area, many Delhi industry area, many networks are.
Many networks are running in air. That's why more pollution in air and all peoples burn all leaves. That's why make more pollution peoples and all trees are very bad pollution and very in very dirtiness they treat to tree and they don't know about what is the main role of trees in our life.
Thank you for your input. Yeah.
People old vehicle use so many pollution in Delhi because old vehicle many half
Old vehicle produces more pollution.
Yeah. And so don't use a old vehicle. People लोगों को समझना चाहिए ये चीज. I think main reason ये भी है.
I feel when making flyovers, so cut the trees.
Okay.
Trees very important for us, because we
need oxygen.
we need oxygen, so that's why this is a problem. If you making government making flyovers, metros, don't cut trees. You take other
You basically take trees and plant it somewhere else.
Yes,
You'll try
yes.
to make sure that tree doesn't have to be cut down while making the flyover.
Yes. Yeah, this is a more important issue, don't cut tree.
Great input. Thank you. So, Mr. Akshat.
Yes, sir. Akshit. Yes, sir.
So, do you think that burning Parali in Haryana and areas of Punjab and Chandigarh in the months of July, September, October is the reason behind pollution in Delhi?
No, like we can say it kind of because we can see now, like we can see during burning the Parali is like smoke is going on the air.
Okay.
Like we can see some of the some of the reason is like kind of like that's what is we are doing here. So that's all we are about to say, and thank you.
Thank you. So these are some questions that we asked the local public of the Delhi about air pollution, and this is myself Prashant from British Institute of English. Sayonara, goodbye. Thank you.